Hi, this is just Jeannie again. I'm going to show you how to make another cauldron for whatever you want to do with it for Halloween. This time I have this huge cauldron. It's 22 inches, okay, in diameter. I found this again on Amazon. And what we're going to do is make this thing as spooky as we can. So all you need is a cauldron, a bowl that's almost the entire width or diameter width of the cauldron, a box. We're going to need some packing. The same thing, we're going to pack around and stabilize this box because we don't want the bowl that we place in here to move very much. So the packing is actually going to help stabilize everything for you. And also if you want to add additional lighting, which is a thought, to this cauldron setup, hey, the packing helps too, okay? So let's pack our box. Pack around our box over and over before we place the bowl. Usually I find packing from things that I buy, like when Amazon delivers or any other company, I keep the packing for all my crafts. It comes in handy. So now we want to place the bowl. Pour some water. Now here comes the fun part. I have misters. I love these. So drop your misters in. I'm going to use 3. Okay. Let's turn them on. Let's see what happens. There we go. Now, how cool is this? So can you imagine Halloween, the little kids come to your house and you have this spookiness going on the porch. All the mist, the haze, the fog going. I think there would be a little concern. So very easy cauldron to make. Kids will love it. Hey, you can use it for parties. You can use it as a decorative item for your front porch, like I plan to do, but this is pretty cool.